Hello everyone, welcome to IMSGate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, for you from RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Yes, when we are going to the official website of RBI, here we can see recruitment for the post of junior engineer, civil and electrical in Reserve Bank of India. Okay, they invited the application and already means the online application form filling started from the 30th December. Last date will be January 20. Okay, payment of examination fees also you need to submit in that one, and they are having online examination. So recruitment is based on the online examination which will be there on the 8th February. So let's check it out, the details they mention here. This PDF number of vacancies also mentioned. So applications are invited for the eligible candidates from the junior engineer, civil or electrical. This vacancy is for the engineers, or if you are having diploma, then also you are eligible. So degree or diploma, both students are eligible here. So they are having here. So yeah, one important thing is selection for the post will be through a countrywide competitive examination followed by a language proficiency test also. So in the zone wise they are having language proficiency test. Okay, so more information you can see on this official website, dear students. Let's check it out. Candidate to ensure their eligibility. So mode of application, as I already told you, online here, and they mention here this mode of application. It's started already from the 30th December. Last date is 20 January. Exam will be there tentatively on the 8th February 2025. Okay, now here we can see use of mobile phones, okay, is banned here. So this is a 29 pages PDF. Let's talk about the vacancies. So they are having here vacancies zone wise: east, west, north, south, central, or total. So total number of vacancies here in the civil, 7, dear students. Okay, and the category wise division is mentioned here, we can see. And in the electrical, number of vacancies are 4. Okay, so here we can see the more details also. Closing date I already told you here. They mention more details. You can check it out. Okay. Some reservation is there according to the rules of Government of India. We can see the reservation. Okay. And okay. Not this one. Yes, here the job description. What is this? So junior engineer civil or junior engineer electrical, but here now they require experience. So this is not for the freshers. Okay, they mentioned the job description also. Eligibility criteria is there. Yeah, age limit. Age limit is there between 20 and 30 years. Okay, and the relaxation is there in the upper age limit. You can see this detail. Even they mention yes. The other than this, what is this? Education qualification: junior engineer civil, minimum 3-year diploma in civil engineering, or if you are having a degree in the civil engineering, so with the 55% marks, then you are eligible here. Second, junior engineer electrical, same diploma in electrical or degree means BTech in electrical with the 55% marks, you are eligible. Now other than this, they mention here, okay, minimum education qualification is required here. So yeah, if you are having suppose the CGPA concept, then percentage respect to this percentage 5.7, 6.2 or 6.75 CGPA you should have respectively. Okay, now this is important point, key experience is required here for the junior engineer civil. If you are having diploma, then 2-year work experience is required. If you are having degree, then 1-year experience is required here. Okay, now they mention here ki 1-year graduate apprenticeship training in a PSU will also considered. So please read this carefully. If you are having already 1-year PSU apprenticeship, then you are eligible in both electrical and civil. Okay, scheme of selection. Yes, they are having the exam. The online examination will be of 300 marks and it is scheduled on the 8th February. Okay, they are having this exam pattern. English language will be 50 question, 50 marks, 40 minutes. Okay, engineering discipline paper 1, 40 questions, 100 marks, 40 minutes. Engineering discipline paper 2, 40 questions, 40 minutes, marks will be 100. Or general intelligence and reasoning 50 questions, 50 marks or 30 minutes. So total 300 marks, 150 minute and 180 questions will be there, bacho. Okay, after that, this is the first. After that, if you will select in this one, then they will call you for the LPT, that is the language proficiency test. So that's why you need to select according to you should have the knowledge of about the local language also of your zone, whatever zone you are filling. Okay, so you can see the paper will be bilingual, Hindi and English both, and then the selection process will be there finally. Even they mention here the syllabus also. Yeah, pay scale they mention here ki approximately 80,000 for the junior engineer, 80,236 plus 15% allowances, so it will be approximately 90,000. Okay, so then they are having some more information. Even the application process is also mentioned here. Request you need to fill the form between this to this date, and yeah, they are having some charges also. The examination fees, which is you need to pay from 30 December to the 20 January. If you are from the SC/ST PWD, then 50 rupees plus 80% GST. If you are from the OBC General EWS category, then 450 rupees plus GST you need to pay here. Okay, staff candidates are exempted. Bank transaction you need to pay yourself. Okay, so they mention here the step by step, you can check it out, dear students. Even they mention here the syllabus also at the last, how to fill, mode of payment, everything, the mode, every detail is mentioned here. You can check it out, these details, and you can fill the form. If you think you are having the experience whatever is required here, 1 year experience with the degree, then you are eligible here for applying. Okay, so here, no, this is the simple one. If I'm talking about the syllabus, so I want to show you the syllabus procedure also here. Yeah, this is the form. Here they are having in the last only the syllabus for the engineering. Yeah, so not this, they mention the forms also which you need to submit, form ABC, and here, okay, indicative syllabus for the junior engineer civil, paper 1 they mention the branch wise. Okay, for the civil, which subjects you are having, an in subject, what portion you will have, so they mention these things. And the paper 2 theory of the structures, so like this one, you can check it out, the details also in the syllabus. It's available on the official website which I show you already. This is the website where everything is available. You can check it out, the details, dear students. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.